What's up? So I'm gonna go off the week that I had. Um, was was kind of iffy. So this week. Okay, so on my practice account, I took two fucking L's to start off. Right. Looking for shorts and looks like I was like the first one to see that. Okay. And then look, got in there. I actually switched bias after that, which was stupid, but whatever. Then the next day, working on my challenge account was kind of ass. I wonder if this is practice. Let me see. Hold up. Let me take this out. Let me just see. Okay, yeah, see, I just took two trades. Took one L yesterday. Looking for a long right there. That was kind of ass trade. And then looking for another long. Closed out, thankfully, because that shit was ass too. And then today took first L, first for a long, which I should have seen where a long at the 87s would have been better. See, somewhere around here, 87s after like a break and retest. See, this is the break and retest right here. Broke, came back, never really 88s. 87 would have been nicer. Anyways, this was all today, right? Yeah, the third. All right. So, looked for a short here. Okay, this was interesting right here. This is where I saw on the footprint chart where they had trapped buyers, or I guess they were reloading down here. As you can see, the large volume indicator, heavy volume, negative delta was kind of small. Should have noticed that. See, negative delta, bigger, but still no action. It came all the way up. Delta divergent. Should have seen that they weren't ready yet. I could have looked for something here, something to break below that. That would have been nice. Okay, let's see what they did here. I took a short. Okay, this one was cool. This one was good. 1054. Yeah, see here. So again, I tried again. Better position. I got in at 9450. Yeah, up here. So I got in here, okay, because look, they were attempting with a positive delta, and then nothing. And then it happened here. This big seller came in and nothing. So I hopped in. Usually when it's like this, see, and look, a 700 delta, a 700 large volume indicator, 100, another 150-ish. That's a lot of trap buyers. So I figured okay, let me get in and let me target here 85s. Let me target the 85s. And where did I get out? Hold up. All right. So I wanted to get out at the 85s. It didn't actually reach the 85. Let me see. Hold up. I was targeting here. Yeah, see, it didn't reach. It didn't reach that. It reached an 86. Um, I did like this liquidity, whatever. It ended up going that way anyways, but went all the way down there. Oof. But yeah, whatever. So figured we were at all time highs, not looking for anything too crazy. Came in here, was ranging. I moved. I had my stops over here. I would have got stopped out anyways right here. But okay, next play. Oh, and yeah, so the reason I got in was because of that big emotion candle, not no movement. Okay, boom, got in. Next trade, next short. This one was kind of ass. I did see it kind of pop down hard, but it could have been a liquidity grab here and tested this fair value gap. Which this play I wasn't really too proud of. It wasn't that good. Okay. Next play was a short. One contract. I had my stops over here. I was targeting this again. Maybe even here, but I didn't really like it, so I just got out. The last trade was tits. Okay, I'm gonna show you why. So that's what I had pulled up right here. So it came down, came back up, and same exact thing. Got trap buyers. Sellers are stepping in. Big deltas here. They had the deltas were big here, and they were fighting it out this whole time. They were fighting it out, but they were hitting the bid hard. They were smacking it. So I actually on my practice account, I got in first on my practice account. Watch. All right, here. I got in on the practice account and I let it actually run. I completely forgot about it. And I got in here and look, I targeted here. Right? I targeted this area, this low. And I figured I'm like, okay, that's cool little play. And it hit exactly, bro. Look, same thing. Higher lows, lower highs from here, from here. This was like a kind of pattern. I saw a high, 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 and then lower high. So I figured I'm okay. Let me get in there, and then same thing. Saw a lot of volume, but no movement. Same thing here. A lot of volume, no movement. So that's when I decided to get in. 1221. 1221 was here. So I saw it didn't come back up here. So I got in around here. Let me see the price where I got in. Yeah, 98.5. So I got in 98.5. Dang, right here. Oh yeah, on this candle. So okay. So it was when I see a little tail, I know that it's gonna go down. I don't know. See? Okay, so I saw a tail. Got in here. This was a clean fucking play. Here stops right above here. Let's roll. So I figured I was so confident in this play. I went into my see a drawdown negatives. That's my 17% times the drawdown amount. Yeah, see, this was a clean fucking play. Clean, clean, clean. So I was so confident in this play that I decided to get in. Where is this one? Oh, this one was a crazy play yesterday. Took a long whatever, but okay, let's do this. Oh shit. It's tripping it out. So hold up, let me go here. It's this last play. So I was down a little bit. I was down negative $40, I think. So I figured I'm gonna let me at least get a win today. So boom, came here, logged into this, I was in at the where was I in on the other one? Let me see. Right here, 98. Oh, right here. I got in at 98. So the other one here, I got in 96, high above here. And this one was cool too. The entry could have been a little bit better, but I saw like the sellers were there. And let me see, I got in at 96.5, 1237, 96.5, 1237. So here, 96.5. Kind of got in low here, but I put here, stops above here, and let's go. I didn't hold on to this only because I saw a little profit, saw this, jump down, come back up. I got out. And then this came back up. It would have been sketched out for sure. But that would have been nice right there, bro. It would have been a good trade. But you live and learn, right? So let's see this short. Yeah, this short was cool too. Well, we went over this one already, but it's the same kind of deal, right? You see the trap buyers, aggressive sellers, not looking for big moves, looking for a couple points. Big contracts, but big reward. Look, 3 points. 3 point move, 8 bills almost. So, the nerves of the combine are there for sure, but with time, I have this whole month to hopefully keep keep the order flow going, and it's gonna be solid. So I know what I'm doing. I just have to wait for the solid information. Wait for stuff like this. This was risky because there was a lot of delta. It could have been not like that. I think I tried something here, but I'm gonna just stick to what I'm seeing and stick to what I like. So, all right, thank you for this update. The week's been good. Let's see. Last month was cool. Let's see, it's a good month. This month, same thing. I'm gonna just keep it up, keep it going. I did fuck up on this one. These first two trades kind of don't count because yesterday after hours, look, it was fucking 16. That's 4 o'clock, 4:09, right? I was on Top Step. Trying to figure out my risk to reward, right? And I do that. By clicking buy, sell, whatever, and then I do that. I see where it enters me. Like, say I want 5 contracts and I trade 5 contracts and I want to risk 250, it's this, or 500, it's this, whatever it is, and then I just scale up, down, whatever it is, and I kind of see what the what the limits are, and that helps me out. So what I did was, I usually do it on the combine. I usually do it on the practice account, so I can do that, right? So I can figure the long, figure the short. But I was on the actual combine late at night, right? And fucking, that's why I have these two longs at a bullshit place. I figured I wanted to go short here. Even just looking at it from back during the session, I didn't have Sierra chart open, nothing. It was just Top Step, just me doing my stuff, right? And 92% in drawdown, yeah, of course, because I was just so. Same thing, I was doing it. Once I noticed, I was like, what the fuck? I was like, man, and it locked me out, I think. So yeah, that's happened before, but hey, it is what it is. We've made all-time highs. We're kind of here ranging. We still got all this liquidity back here, all these areas to play, all this stuff. So yeah, it's a good week, good month, and I'm grateful I can trade. And all praise be to God, and thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far on the journey, learning order flow, learning the charts, learning the patterns, the movements, how these people, how these market makers move. Oh man, it's dope. So thank you. All right, peace.